guys! Today I'll be giving a ranting tutorial. Let's get started. First the background, search up the color of the slime you want, like red slime Asmer or purple slime Asmer. I'll choose this one. Screen recorded. I have it already, so let's start with the edit. First start a project. Don't start it with the slime. Instead start it with the layout. Then add the background, zoom in, then add the layout, moving it to the left so it can seem a bit nicer. Then type your script. I don't know how to explain this, but just follow the video. Just upload it on YouTube this way.
Attention passengers, we've now reached our destination. We hope you enjoyed the flight and have a nice day.
Just watch me.
I'll make a tutorial on how to make a layout. I hope this helps. Bye bye.